Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on an Android phone. Alright, let's begin. There are two easy ways to take a screenshot on your Android phone. The first method is using the hardware buttons. Press the power button and the volume down button at the same time, then quickly release both buttons. Your screen will flash, indicating that the screenshot has been captured. A preview will appear on the screen, allowing you to edit, share, or delete it. If you don't interact with the preview, the screenshot will automatically be saved to your Gallery or Photos app. If the button combination doesn't work or one of your buttons isn't functioning, you can use the Quick Settings panel instead. Swipe down from the top of the screen to fully expand the Quick Settings menu. Tap the Edit or the Pen button, select the Add a Control option from bottom, and add the screenshot tile to your Quick Settings. Once it's added, open the screen you want to capture and tap the Screenshot tile. Your phone will instantly capture the current screen and save it to your gallery. So that's basically how you can take a screenshot on an Android phone. That's it for this video. Thanks!